My name is Tushar. I am from Delhi and got placed at Tracxn Technologies in Bangalore as a software engineer. The difference between the curriculum of the college and the curriculum of Masai is they are both opposite. The way Masai guides from 0 to 100 for making a student perfect for their job description, perfect for their role, which college doesn't do. Also, one plus point is that their ISA. Many other institute will charge you for teaching, and Masai just doesn't charge anything until unless we get a job. There is not only one thing which is best in Masai, so that's why it is Masai school. The curriculum part is very strong, and how they tell the students and like how they guide the students, I can say that that's the most best part. They have weekly tests, they get best instructors, they had very good support system. Like if we have any query, if we have any difficulty in moving forward, till the time you're having hope in yourself, till the last moment they are with you. That's the best part. For placements we need to have patience. That's what I had patience. I had interviewed 2 companies. One I took part from outside and one was recommended through Masai only, and it was, I guess, coincidence or it was luck. I got selected into both of them, so I had a choice which company to choose. The company which I gave from outside, it was remote work, and the company which was recommended through Masai, it was an on-site job. Basically, moving out of your comfort zone, it will help me a lot. That made me choose the one which was recommended through Masai. Since my parents are very much religious, first thing what they made me do is to go in front of my mandir, dhok lagao wahan pe, get the blessings. Then they just hugged me, and then I took blessings from them also. They were pretty much happy. Like it was an awesome moment.